on this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make up to $200 per day with Digistore24. This is a beginner friendly method and it does not require any investment, it does not require any experience. So I'm going to show you one of the methods that I've used to make $58,367.90 on Digistore24. So as you can see everything on your screen, I'm going to show you the product that you need to select. I'll also be showing you how to build a landing page so that you can attract people to click through your affiliate link, and I will show you the traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can be getting sales every day. So make sure you watch till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. So now what you are going to do is that you have to first of all select the product so that you can start the promotion. So you are going to come here, click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. And what you are going to do is that you are going to go straight to e-business and internet marketing category. So when you come here, you can see internet marketing and e-business. Just click on that so that I'll show you the product that you need to select. Once you click on that, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote in this category. So what I want you to do is that just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, just click on the page 2 so that I will show you the product that you need to select. So once you click on the page 2, you are going to scroll down. As you can see, many products that you can promote. Just scroll down and I'm going to show you this product right here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. This is a good product that you can promote because it allows people to work on Facebook, on Twitter, YouTube and earn money from home. So what we are going to do is that we are going to present to them this particular job offer so that they will sign up for the offer. Once they sign up and then make a purchase, we are going to be earning 75 commission. As you can see it here, that is $20.03. As you can see, that is your commission that you are going to receive if you get anyone to purchase this particular product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on affiliate support page. Once you click on affiliate support page, you are going to see a page like this. Let me scroll down. As you can see, there are a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the products. You can see email swipe, banners, product images, videos, PPC ads. They have keywords that they are going to give you. You can see demographics, that is the places where this product is getting sales. You can see the contact support, so you can contact them for any support that you need. And you can see other offers, so they have other offers that you can equally promote. So this is one of the best products that you can promote because it is easy to promote it. The resources are already there for you to use to promote the product. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of the resources on the page. You can see the email swipe. As I scroll, you can see the banners. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can use to promote the product. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to create a simple landing page so that we can begin promoting the product. So the next thing is that we are going to search for site.google.com. You are going to see a page like this. Just click on blank. Once you select blank, you are going to see a page like this. So just come here, click on delete so that you delete the page. So as you can see, the page has been deleted. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to name your site. So you can just type something that you want, but we want to type a name that is related to the product. So just say social media jobs, just something like this. Once you type the name of your website, the next thing is that you are going to go back to Digistore24. As you come back to Digistore24, you can see this is the product. So what I want you to do is that just come here, click on sales page. Once you click on sales page, you are going to see a page like this. So this is the exact page that the customers are going to see before they purchase the product. So we are going to build a landing page that is similar to this so that we can promote it for the people to click through and then purchase this product for us to earn a commission. So you are going to take a screenshot of this particular image so that you can use it to create your landing page. So as you can see, you are going to just screenshot this particular page. Just crop the area that you want to screenshot. So as you can see, I think this is okay. So once you crop the area that you want to screenshot, just click here, save image. So once you click on save image, so as you can see, this is the image. So just click on save. Once you save the image, you are going to come back to your website, and what you are going to do is that you are going to just come here, select image. Once you select image, click on upload so that you can upload the image onto your site. Now we are going to select the image. Once you select the image, just click on open so that you can upload the image. As you can see, this is the image. So now we are going to make it wide, so just hold and drag it. As you can see, we are going to just hold and drag it. As you can see, that has been done. So let's open it downwards so that it will open. As you can see, that has been done. So now this is the image. So the next thing is that you are going to write some text here so that the people will know what to do. So you are going to come here, select text box. Once you select text box, you are going to see a page like this. So just type something like, this offer is only available for limited time. Act now to get a chance or miss it forever. So just a simple sentence like this. The next thing is that we are going to center this particular text. So what you are going to do is that you are going to highlight it. Just come here, select the alignment, and then we are going to select this alignment. As you can see, the alignment has been done. So the next thing is that you are going to increase the font size of the text. So you are going to highlight everything. Once you highlight it, select the font size here. Once you select it, just scroll down. We are going to select 18. I think that has been done. The next thing is that we are going to write a call to action here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on text box again. Once you click on text box, just type something like, I want to take the quiz now. Just something like this. So once that is done, you are going to highlight it and then center it. So you just come here, choose the alignment. We are going to choose this one right here, center it. Once you center it, you are going to increase the font size. So just highlight it again, click the font size, and you are going to increase it. So you can just select, let's say 24. I think that has been done. So the next thing is that you are going to change the font theme for this particular text. So we are going to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to scroll and then select impact. As you can see, that has been done. Once this is done, the next thing is that we are going to insert our link onto this particular image and then our call to action right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to Digistore24. So once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to go back to your site, and as you come back to your site, you are going to just click on the image. Once you click on it, select insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, my nickname right here, as you can see it. So once you insert your link, click on apply. The reason why we are inserting our link on the image is that you can see here start quiz. So a lot of people might think that it is a clickable button. So once you link the affiliate link right here, anytime they click right here, it is going to be directed to the product landing page. So the next thing is that we are going to insert our affiliate link here too. So just highlight the text. Once you highlight it, click on the insert link button. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here and then click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. So the next thing is that we are going to customize our website so that it will look like the product landing page. So what you are going to do is that you're going to just click on the image and it's going to be highlighted like this. Once that is done, just click on this particular icon. Once you click on it, section color, just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select style 3. Select that. As you can see, that is done. The next thing is that you are going to come to this particular text. Just click on it, come back to the icon again. You are going to select style 3. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to come to the next text and then click on the icon again. Once you click on it, you are going to select style 2. So as you can see, that has been done. Once this has been done, the next thing is that you are going to publish your website. As you can see, everything looks good. So you are just going to come here, click on publish so that you can publish your site. So here you are going to give your site address. So let's say social media jobs. Let's see if that domain is available. Social media jobs. So that domain is not available. So let's add numbers 1. So as you can see, social media jobs 11, that is available. So once it is available, make sure you check if it is private. You have to click here manage so that you can select everyone. So once that is done, you are going to click on publish so that your website can be published. As you can see, it has been published. So just click on view so that you can see how the landing page looks like. So now as you can see, this is how your website or the landing page looks like. You can see this is it. So anytime people click on this particular link, they are going to be directed to the product that you are promoting. Anytime they click on the image right here, they are going to be directed to the product that you are promoting. So once you now have your website, the next thing is that you are going to begin promoting this particular website so that you get people to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can earn money on Digistore24. So I'm going to show you a traffic source that is easy for you to use and it does not require any payment. You can use it for free so that you can be driving traffic to this particular landing page and you are going to be getting people to purchase this particular product without you paying for anything. We are going to be using this website to promote our product. The name is europeanlist.com. This is a traffic exchange website that you can use to get a lot of people to click through your website without you paying for anything. As you can see on SimilarWeb, you can see the name here, europeanlist.com. You can see the traffic source 93.12% is coming from the United States, and you can see that it's even growing at 16.58%. You can see 1.38% is from India. You can see the rest. So this is a quality traffic source that you can use to get a lot of sales on Digistore24. Let me show you right here. When you come to demographics, that is the places that this product is getting sales. You can see the first place is the United States. So our traffic source is targeted traffic source. We are targeting the people who like it, and we are targeting the people who can truly buy it. So it's a good traffic source that you can use to promote this product. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to sign up for an account so that you can start promoting the landing page. If you are new, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on sign up here so that you can enter your email address and then enter your list email address so that you can sign up for your free accounts. But I have an account, so I'm going to log in and show you more. Click on the login button right here. As you can see, I have logged in. So the next thing is that I'm going to show you how to use this particular website to get traffic. You can see purchase credit, solo ads. So you need to buy some credit, but what I'm going to show you, you don't need to buy any credit. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be sending emails for free. You don't want to pay for anything, so we are going to just click on credit mailers. Once you click on that, you can see credit based mailers, so you can send free emails to other people on this website and you are not going to pay for anything. You can see I have 23,200 credit right now, and I'm going to show you how to get credit in a few seconds before I show you how to send an email. So to get credit on this particular website, what you are going to do is that you are going to view emails that this website owners are going to send to you. Once you view the emails, you are going to earn credit so that you can use those credit to run your ads, and it's very effective. So once you sign up for your accounts, they are going to be sending you emails. For example, when you come here, you can see europeanlist.com. You can see this is an email. So when I click on it, once you open the email, you see a page like this. So any email that you open, it has its own content, so it doesn't matter the content of the email. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to scroll down, click here to earn credit. So anytime you see that, just click on the link below so that you can get your credit. So once you click on the link, you are just going to wait for only 10 seconds. Once you wait for 10 seconds, they are going to show you a number that you are going to click through so that you can get credit. So as you can see, these are numbers. You can see click 86. So once you come here, you are going to click on the corresponding number. So just click on 86. So once you click on 86, you can see I've earned 1,500 credit. So that has been allocated to my accounts, and I can use this credit to send emails on European list. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin sending our emails. So you are going to come back to the product landing page. Once you come back to the product landing page, you are going to click on email swipes. Once you click on the email swipe, you are going to open each of these emails and then send the one that you like. So for example, if I open this one, you can see the subject line, social media manager. So if you like this email, you are going to use it, but I don't like this one. I've opened them, so the one that I prefer is the second one. So when you click on it, let me scroll upwards for you to see. You can see it right here. Did you overlook this $50K remote job? So I like this particular subject line, so just copy the subject line if you like it, or you can open the rest of the emails and choose the one that you like. Once you copy your subject line, just come here, paste it right here. So the next thing is that you are going to copy the body of the emails. Forget of the name and just highlight everything and copy it. Once you highlight and copy everything, you are going to come back to European list and then paste your email body here. You can see I've got to ask and then the rest of the details. So once that is done, you can see the last one here. Click here to apply, so you can forget of it. So that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to insert your link right here. This is where we are going to paste our website link. So the next thing is that we are going to copy the URL of our website. As you can see, just highlight and copy the URL of our site, the website that we created. now the next thing is that you are going to bring it back to European list, and here you are going to paste the URL. Once you paste your URL, you are going to allocate credits. So what you are going to do is that you are going to allocate as many credit that you want. So here I'm going to just allocate 10,000 because I have a lot of credit, so I'm just going to allocate 10,000 right here. So once you allocate the credit, you can see free members are allowed to send up to 17,221 members. So your email is going to be sent to this number of people, and you can see that is huge number of people, 17,000. That is a huge number of people. So what you are going to do is that you are going to say save this image. So just click on yes and then click send so that your email can be sent. You can say mailing in progress. We will notify you when it will be finished. So they are going to notify you so that you can run another ad, and you are going to be doing that so that you can get a lot of people to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.